Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make lollipops using an easy method. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. You will also need your lollipop molds and sticks ready. Make sure all your equipment is clean and laid out, as the process moves quickly once the cooking begins. This careful preparation ensures a smooth and successful lollipop making experience for everyone. Now let's get cooking. Combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert your candy thermometer. Continue to cook the mixture without stirring until it reaches precisely 295 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. As soon as your syrup hits 295 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. This is the crucial moment to add your desired flavor extract, perhaps 1 teaspoon of cherry or strawberry, and a few drops of food coloring. Stir these additions in very gently to avoid introducing air bubbles. Then, working quickly and carefully, pour the hot, flavored syrup into your prepared lollipop molds. Immediately after pouring, insert your lollipop sticks into the molds, twisting them slightly to ensure they are well seated. Now comes the hardest part: patience. Allow your lollipops to cool and harden completely at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. Once firm, carefully pop them out of their molds. Store your beautiful, homemade lollipops in an airtight container to keep them fresh and delicious for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.